Okay, yade. Yade hade dice not snaggy. DA 2017 Navajo 1 lesson 10 lesson 10 nigo na Navajo string game by Alti. Akoshin o Yagoshin DB. That nil الساقي يا السادة سجاقي نأتلو نأتلو that T/L is like the English CL sound, but we want to cut it short because it's a stop right there. Instead of saying it's na'atlo, and the o is also a stop. Na'atlo. A is just a filler. It's just another name of what I just said. Na'atlo. And it's like saying that thing over there. Na'atlo A. O achayu. O achayu. O achayu. Okay, go the o oi. O achayu. O achayu. Okay. Okay, nasal sounds. Put a little pause after the stop a little bit, and then and then adad. What does that mean? String games. Many of them there are many different kinds. Okay, so all together, naat o eight o hayu adad. Okay, next one. Chego. Che means winter, and go makes it in the winter. In the winter time. Eya only. A. There's an EI sound, but the first is emphasized, so it's A comes back down, and ya, eya, and then be nedajune, only played in the winter time. Okay, so notice the N and the D together. There's no vowel. If you said it slow, it would be ne da. So there's an I sound in there, but we just wanted to just quickly say it, so it comes out nta ntachine ntaatne ntaatne. Okay, next word a little bit different, but basically the same. Naatlo. Son it stars. Do naltloshi. Okay, naltlosh. We've had this before. Animals. Naltloshi. Do and okay, let's go back. Do chosh. Da makes it usually replicated or copied. Okay. All right, let's go to the next one. It's kind of what happens if we did it another time. Shingo means summertime. Nobody should be doing the stringing the summertime. Why? Hala Donald Loshidoj or okay, so that string game is also a representation of like spider webs, and in the summertime the spiders are out. So it's like making fun. So we don't want to do that. Okay, let's go to the pass off real quick. Here's a sentence. There's the da. Okay, we gotta put the da in there. It makes it plural. Okay, right there. That makes it plural. If it was just it would just be one. But we're talking about many. Next one. Only played in the winter time. When you do the string game, birds and animals and all kinds of stuff. Okay, Now let's go something on the Nayeja side or the opposite. Shingo in the summertime go. In the winter, in the summertime. Don dajitlota. We don't do that in the summertime. Why? Because animals dojosh shingo they're out in the summertime. Edo bedajil ida. You don't copy them. You don't make fun of them in a sense. Okay, let's go to the questions. Ha'at e or hayus adat there's a da. We've got a da here again. Oh, that's good because you can know why I did that. Okay, ha'at e what? Well, string games. There are many string games. Na tloid or yes adat There's that da again. Okay, next. Hako when. Hakot eya ben da'at ne. When, only when. And the answer is Hakot eya ben da'at ne. Okay. Jitlo. Ndajitlo go. Hati ben beda'al. What is being replicated? Ndajitlo go sondo naltlo shido josh beda'al. And then Hako don dajitlo. When do you not? Well, shingo, okay? Summer, don dajitlo. And then hat ibnina. Why? Why can't you do that? Khala hat ibnina nal tloshido josh shingo do beda al ida. And the reason is khala nal tloshi do josh shingo ndakhe edo beda al ida. Akoshin ko anza shishin kilkwashnet olel. See you in class.